How to archive Instagram story before 24 hours. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Instagram allows you to archive your stories automatically after 24 hours, but you can manually archive your story before it expires as well. Now all you have to do is open or view the story you posted which you want to archive. Then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you tap on it, from the option that appear, select archive. Your story will be archived immediately and saved in your story archive. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.